Hey guys, Shan here. So I got some Boxy Charm boxes today. Well, I actually got the November one the last day of November. So I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in that box. And also I'm going to be unboxing the December 2019 one as well. But I'm going to do that one first since it's the most recent one. The packaging just comes like this. And it has Hello Charmers at the side. So freaking cute. You know I'm all about the cuteness. So when I open it, they give you a lot of products, y'all. So the ones that I got is $25. The boxes that I got are $25. They just put a whole bunch of like expensive as products in here. I was just like shook when I first seen the November box. That's why I was just like, I gotta get a December box. Like that is absolutely insane. What they do is they formulate a questionnaire and then you answer a whole bunch of questions based on like what kind of products that you would like to receive each month. So me personally, I know I put down I want an eyeshadow palette. If I'm paying $25, I want an eyeshadow palette. I opted out for blushes less, but they still sent me a blush, but I don't really wear blush like that. Highlighter was a definite. I definitely opted into the brushes. So the eyeshadow palettes, highlighter, and the blushes. I can't remember what else that I said like I definitely wanted, but they do a questionnaire, so it's not like absolutely random. They get an idea of, you know, what kind of products you like, if it's skincare more, if it's foundation, if you like full coverage, if you like sheer, lightweight. I know they did like a whole range of the questionnaire, which is really good. I wish you could pick the product, but I think this is really good so you can like get products that you're not familiar with and you can just try it out. And it's $25. Like when I go to Sephora, my total is never under $25. I don't know who can do that. Maybe when I go to Walmart or like Walgreens, of course. But like when I get my main products at Sephora and Ulta, even when I use my coupons at Ulta, like never under 25. So the first thing that they have in this December 2019 box, I got the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. They must have known I was red. I don't know. It's so cute. It's like a little booklet. In this palette they have 3 shimmery colors and then they have 3 matte colors, and of course the matte ones are transition colors. The first color is like a red shimmery color and it's so cute. This one is like a burgundy, deep burgundy color, pinkish reddish color. This one is gray, but I swatched it and it actually looked purplish on me, which is fine, I guess, because I have a neutral undertone. But it's so annoying, every time I buy gray palettes they always look purple on me. I can never get like a true gray, but I am on the lookout, so whenever I find that I'll let you guys know. And of course they have a little mirror on the side and it's so cute and compatible. You can just throw it in your bag or your suitcase. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $35. So the next thing I got is a Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. So this sounds like, yep, this is an anti-aging oil, but I'm pretty sure anybody can use it because I'm gonna use it when I take all this makeup off and go to bed because it is nighttime right now. But this oil actually retails for $79, which is crazy. And these are full size product, y'all. Here goes the bottle. It's so cute. The next product that I got is the Marble Lights Illuminating Blusher. Ooh, and this retails for $26. This is what the packaging looks like. And this is in the color Dusk, as it says. This is cute. I like it. It's more of a matte blush, but we can make it work. I like this, and it has like a little compact mirror as well. It's so cute. Next thing I got is a brow makeover kit. I love my eyebrows. That's my favorite thing to do aside from my lashes, but eyebrows and lashes are my go-to. This retails for $30 and it comes in a cute gold packaging. and comes horizontally like this. This one is the brow gel, and then this color is more of like a Anastasia dip brow, and then the last colors, those are the more natural ones, which are the powders. And you can go hand in hand with these. You can use either or you can use the brow gel and then set it with the powders. And the last thing that I got is by I don't know this brand's name, but it does look really familiar. I think I've seen it at Target if I'm not mistaken. This is the brush cleaner, and this retails for $12. So this is a conditioner for your makeup brushes. Normally I just use baby shampoo, which I'm not sure if they really clean my brushes properly. They seem clean, but at the same time it's such a mild soap because you use it on babies, of course. Maybe it doesn't get all the gunk out. So I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm excited to try this out because all I use is baby shampoo, and I've been using it for years now. Like, I never switch over to anything else. So this is why BoxyCharm is good, because you get to try new things and then you get to branch out from things that you don't normally usually do. So yeah, so that's it for the December 2019 BoxyCharm.